British Airways Visa Signature Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you prefer a Visa card with global acceptance while still earning airline rewards, the British Airways Visa Signature card is designed for you. Most people get this wrong by assuming airline-branded visas are limited to flights, but this card earns Avios points on all purchases. You earn points on everyday spending and receive bonus Avios on British Airways flights. For example, spending 40 annually could generate around 40 Avios, which can be redeemed for flights, cabin upgrades, or partner airline travel. The card also offers travel protections, purchase security, and fraud monitoring, giving peace of mind both at home and abroad. There is an annual fee, but frequent travellers often find the points and benefits outweigh the cost. Paying the balance monthly ensures you avoid interest and maximise the value of your rewards. Mobile and online tools make tracking Avios, managing payments, and redeeming rewards straightforward and convenient. In conclusion, the British Airways Visa Signature Card is an excellent option for UK residents who want broad card acceptance with airline rewards. With everyday Avios earning bonus points on flights and travel protections, it helps your spending go further, making your trips more rewarding. For business or leisure travel, this card ensures every purchase contributes to your next adventure.